What up, kids? So today we are going to learn how to source sources or images using our Optecs acronym. Now, one thing I want to talk to you guys about is that we are doing this lesson in preparation for a DBQ, a document-based question, which we'll learn about later in the week. Images pop up in that, and you have to understand how to analyze them. Okay. Whenever we are doing a DBQ, there are three big things that we're really going to do. We're going to want to source the images or source any of the sources they give us, just like analyzing the sources. We're going to want to cite and summarize, and that's using our fast sentence. You're going to learn how to do that later in the week as well. And then you want to also tie whatever analyzation and summary that you find within the source back to your claim. Okay, and those are the three big things that you're going to need to focus on for DBQs. Right now, we are working on the sourcing part. Now, you've already learned how to source primary sources using your HAP acronym. We will practice that in class. But today, we are going to learn how to source sources that are images, right? So when I say source, I'm just talking about analyzing, guys, but we use the word source because that is what the word is used in AP. So now we're going to learn how to do that for pictures. So what you guys are going to do is go through this activity. The directions for the first slide are right here. It's a walkthrough of how to use your Optecs. All you have to do is press play on the video. And then on the next slide, it shows you how you can use your Optecs in a multiple choice question. And that is also a walkthrough. If you just click play, it'll give you the answers for both of them and talk to you about how I use Optecs. And then for the last two slides, you guys are going to analyze a map on your own, and you're going to analyze a picture on your own. So make sure you read the source. So, for example, the last thing you're going to do, the last source you're going to do Optecs on, is for an illustration from the 13th century in an Islamic manuscript. So we know it's from Islam. We know they're about traveling somewhere. What was going on during that time? Go ahead and analyze that. And then your other one is a map. So that should be pretty straightforward. There are no directions for this. So the only thing there is directions for in this assignment is your first example of how to use Optecs. So